Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete a Facebook page. I will also explain the difference between deactivating and deleting so you don't make a mistake. Let's get started. Here is the most important part. You must switch to the page you want to delete. Click on 3 line in the top right corner. Then scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings again. Again scroll down and looking for Access and Control. Click on it. Now here you see Facebook give you 3 options. First option is deactivate page. This is temporary. It just hides the page. If you think you might want this page back later, choose this. Second option is for unpublishing your page. If you want to hide your page from public, you can choose it. And the last option is for delete permanently. Once you do this, your photos, posts, and everything else will be gone. Since we want to delete it forever, choose delete page and click continue. It can ask why you want to delete your page. You can select an option among them or just click on continue. Now it will ask for save your information. If you have photos on this page you want to keep, download them now. Then click on continue again. Here type your personal Facebook password and continue. Then you will get a final option for delete page. Click on it. Now your Facebook page deleted successfully. If this video saved you a headache, please hit that like button so other people can find it. Thanks for watching.